guest of today, Dr. C.J. John, dear loving Agapeans, their family, seniors, directors, chairman, then special guest from Fujiribayo, and finally, ladies and gentlemen. Good evening and welcome to this year's annual Agappe Day celebrations. Today, we gathered here to honor and acknowledge the remarkable journey we have undertaken together as a company. It is a time to reflect on our achievements, express gratitude, and envision a future of growth and success. Before I begin, let me pay our homage to our respected founder chairman and our beloved father, Professor M. Yohanan, whose grace, empathy, and ideologies gave shape to the foundation of Agape. Primarily, let me extend my heartfelt appreciations to each and every one of you, everyone who are present here. Your dedication, hard work, and unwavering support have contributed to making Agape to thriving organization it is today. Together, we have overcome challenges, embraced opportunities, and achieved milestones that have placed us among the top players in the diagnostic industry. Agape, your best partner in diagnostics, has always strived to be more than just a company. We have forged a culture that values human connections and understand the importance of our employees and their families. Today, I want to emphasize the significance of our collective journey and reassure each one of you about the stability of your jobs. From 5 staff in 1995 to just 1,000 team Agape, holding the second position in Indian diagnostics companies, dealing with diagnostics is nothing but the efforts and perspirations of the Agape only. We are a major player in the industry segment with more than 500 crores turnover and a company employing 10% of its employees in R&D and spending 5% of revenue for research while the national average is less than 1%. We are an inclusive organization where we consider that employees are our core strength. We respect their families, their parents for dedicating their children to Agape. That is why we are organizing Parivar program to invite all close family members of our employees to Agape and witness the facilities and work environment and to align themselves with Agape family. At Agape, we firmly believe the growing together as a company and as individuals. We recognize that our success is built upon the foundation of our dedicated workforce. Each one of you has played a vital role in our achievements, and I want to assure you that your efforts are deeply appreciated and valued. Agape management is committed to the growth and well-being of each and every one of you. We believe that by nurturing an environment of trust, respect, excellence, and care, our unique core values, we have achieved extraordinary feats together. Let us continue to seize opportunities, embrace innovation, and work towards reaching new heights as a team. We recognize the importance of work-life balance and understand that the well-being of our employees' family is essential for their overall happiness and productivity. Agape is committed to supporting our employees and their families through various initiatives, be it providing a friendly work atmosphere, offering growth opportunities, or fostering a sense of community within our organization. Agape has always been at the forefront of advancement in the industry. From our state-of-art factory to our groundbreaking product offerings, we have consistently pushed boundaries and exceeded expectations. Our dedications to quality, innovation, and affordability has set us apart as a premier in vitro diagnostics corporation. But let us not forget that growth is not a solitary journey. It is a shared experience, a collective effort that requires us to support and uplift one another. Together we can overcome challenges, seize opportunities, and chart a path towards unprecedented success. Finally, I wanted to express my deepest gratitude to each and every one of you. Your dedication, passion, hard work, and unstinted support have been the driving force behind our success. Together, let us continue to grow, prosper, and create a brighter future for Agappe and all those who associated with it. Thank you, and may we continue to thrive in a world of excellence. Thank you.